publish. Oh wow, it's working. Okay, cool. Phoenix sees that it's working. Flip knife case harden. Okay, there you go. It's working now. Cool. Shoot, that's wild. I think we have blue gems now. Let me test putting this in the bank. Apparently, we actually might not just drop blue gems today. We don't have enough of an audience. We don't have enough people on stream to do something like that on stream. Okay. So let's put in the AK-47. Cool, it shows up in the bank correctly. That was a healthy meal. Cool. Well, we have blue gems now. We're just not gonna update it until I guess we're gonna delay the release. Cool. Really gotta put that down. But cool. I mean, my value has just like skyrocketed in this just because I have like a Karambit case hardened. Cool. Well, I think that we can push this to GitHub now. Just like AI generate that. Cool. Well, that's now pushed. Codex really made that really easy, because that would have been very annoying to do just by hand. Cool. So now we have that in blue gem pricing. I'm just checking the x.com live stream. Okay. Okay. I forgot the icons. Oh, that's right. I did forget the icons. Okay, so let's do that. I did forget the icons. It's weird that it's in a prices file, but honestly, I mean, it allows us that granularity. Did I close Roblox? Just a slow day today, I guess. Okay, let's do icons. Okay. All right, so now let's do these prices. Or sorry, not the prices, the freaking images. So I have the images coming in from somewhere. somewhere in Discord. I have these numbers. Okay, cool. So AK-47, blue gem image. Karambit. Well, hold on. RBX asset ID : // Karambit is going to be this number. Butterfly knife is going to be this number. And M9 bayonet is going to be this number. Cool. So now we have those in. Crap. Okay, now I need to go to like item card. Skin item. Skin item. This is interesting because like image label props.item.image. Oh, it's in the item. So the item is a skin item. Skin item. Oh wait, in types. Skin item. Image. I see. I see. Okay. Total for skin items. Oof. Oofy. Controller. Oh, right. And then we need to remove the thing from the prices service. From the price service, we need to remove the little test that we have here. Oh, did it removed the test already? Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. So that works now. Okay. Skin item dot image. Case purchase inventory skin factory. Select a candidate. Reward preview. What is this? Add from skin item. Oh. Interesting. Do I want to like... What? Create rewarded preview. Return. Server modules. We can't just like come in here and like do that. Okay. Roll result generator. We're exposing the RNG here. Man. So I'm trying to figure out how to like get this image in here. Roll result. This is a server module. Whoa. Skin item dot image. Where float. Skin item. Man, because like we get the where float before we do the image. So that's gonna be messy. Man. That's gonna be difficult. Well, we only need to show it up in the inventory skin. Or sorry, in the item card. And the item card expects a skin item. Item card expects a skin item. So we don't really need to do it anywhere else but the item card. But that becomes a problem because then in the case battles, if we don't do crap. In the case battles, this is a long piece of code. And then case battles, we're gonna do skin item. Oh wow, we don't case. Oh, that's case battle service. Case battle controller. Crap. Oh right, because we could do it both in the item card and the case battle item card. Battle item card. So the battle item card. One last thing. In both item card and both item card and battle item card, we need to be able to get the image based on the pattern seed from blue gem prices. So if there's a cache hit, a blue gem image for a pattern seed. Then replace with that image. Notice that in blue gem price, there's different image for an image field specified in the pattern table, but also one for the market hash name key. For the market. Okay. 2 minutes ago. Wow, I got a new order from. Oh wow, they gave me a hoodie and a cap. Yay! Wow, what cool people. The people at Road gave me some free stuff. Pretty awesome. It's pretty stylish too. I like it. I got a free hoodie and a cap. It's pretty awesome. That's actually pretty awesome that I get a hat from Road. Wow. $25 cap. Got $75 worth of stuff for free. That's kind of cool. Oh man, there's actually some people here. Pretty cool. AI is still thinking. Sorry, you guys can't see that. Sorry about that. AI is still thinking. I actually don't. It's just like modifying a bunch of files. Oh, let me, before it even edits that. Okay, so put in blue gem image links in bio. Haha, I've committed it before I could get that in. Okay. So blue gem lookup, shared modules. Oh my goodness. What the hell? Why did it remove all that stuff? Maybe it's just like working. Maybe I'm just like looking at this too early. Or it just was like unused. Maybe it's just some unused stuff actually. I hope it is. Oh, get blue gem. Okay. Blue gem lookup, get price. Okay, cool. Oh, it's unifying the freaking. Okay. Oh, I see. I see what it's done. Normalize pattern seed, get blue gem price. Okay, cool. Blue gem lookup, pattern seed. Okay. Still thinking. Do I prefer Claude Code or Codex? I prefer Codex, just because look what it's doing. It's like it started Roblox just like immediately. Like, look, it's stopping Roblox now. I'm not controlling this. It's like the AI is like actually like controlling Roblox directly through MCP. Now I know that Claude or Anthropic made MCP, and they're kind of the whole reasons why it even exists. But I mean, I just like Codex's reasoning a little bit more. Claude, I've used Claude for my first vibe coded project, and it did a pretty good job. Some of the code actually in our code base is made by Claude. It's just that I don't know. I just trust Codex 5.6. Well, 5.5 before it became 5.6. I'm kind of trying 5.6 right now, but I just generally trust Codex a little bit more for programming in Roblox Lua. But yeah, it's all preference. I mean, Claude Code can definitely do Roblox stuff, but just like back-to-back testing with the cases that I needed to make it go through, Codex was the winner. Oh, neat. I believe I have Opus 5. Hi, it's pretty good. Haven't found any mistakes with it so far. Yeah, I mean, both of them are pretty good at just like making valid code. Back in the day, it would write code that wasn't valid, but that seems to not be an issue for either of them anymore. Yeah, I think it was just stylistic. It was just like the style at which Claude was doing it was just kind of like not aligned with my style, and it just tended to be like a little bit more verbose. I really wish I had a bunch of notes on it, but I think it was just, I think when I decided, it was just more of a stylistic thing, and Codex could sort of conform to the way my code base was already, rather than yeah, I kind of remember now that rather than sort of like go against the grain and like kind of like put its own style on it. But yeah, that's just my experience, and things could be different now. But I wouldn't be opposed to trying Claude Code again. I don't know. We could actually switch to Claude Code. Like, we have it right here. Boom. There's Claude Code. I have all sorts of models. I have like, well, I guess it doesn't allow me to change the model anymore. Is this it? Show command line menu. Add. Context. What is this? Edit automatically. Oh, here it is. No? No, this is just like the... well, it won't let me select the model. But I know that if you do it within Codex, sorry, not Codex, Cursor, you can choose a model. What the hell? Now it's gone. Where's... Oh, okay. If I select... Okay, there we go. Now we could say... Oh, wow, there's a cursor grok. I don't like grok. That's like the only thing that I won't use. I'll use GPT Codex. I'll use Claude Code, but I really distrust grok. Grok makes like the stupidest decisions. It's like really bad. Gemini is not bad though. I need to what's this? You need a switch model. Switch model? Oh, is it a code? Oh, it's oh, okay. So it's like a little like command line. Oh, there we go. I see it. Switch model, Sonnet, Opus, Haiku. Best for everyday complex tasks. Sonnet is efficient routine tasks. Okay, that's like what I use Cursor for. Like I use the Cursor stuff for like these small like routine tasks. Opus, everyday complex tasks. Okay. I mean like switch it to Opus. Okay, but yeah, no, I use Codex the most. I think it's done. So let's check. Let's go ahead and check Roblox real quick, and then let's see how that's faring up. Give it a second here. Still don't know how to like get rid of these React bugs, but I don't. It's like not causing issues really. Oh, look at that! We have new blue gem images. Good job, Codex! Yay! We have a little plane going on. Yeah, so we have blue gem stuff now. So now let me just screenshot that little guy right there, and then yeah, that's how it looks like. I think it'll show up in case battles too, but there's like almost no way that I can sort of simulate that, and I'm not sort of like pressed if I like if I miss it. Yay, one against a bot. Hey, start a case battle. Create battle. Join the case battle. Oh, he left. It's all right. Cool. Well, now we have the images for the blue gems, and now we have the prices for the blue gems. I'm thinking about capping. Oh. Oh yeah, look at my AK-47. It has a blue gem in the bank. It's cool. Blue gem in bank. Let me see if there's an error for Phoenix. There is definitely an error, but it's not showing me. Okay, so I guess we need to like cap the bank now, because the bank is just like too OP now, I guess. Hmm. Mm-hmm. What should be the cap? So we need to cap the bank. We just don't know what to cap the bank at, and that's the issue right now. What do we cap the bank at? Uh, skin ID or you can just also use the chat commands. Forgot the chat command. Do we even have a chat command for that? I don't even know. Commands. Admin commands. I actually don't know if it's there. I don't know. There's a lot of things. Like, it's just like, even if people knew. Hey, the prop position marker for zone number 1 is missing. Hmm. I mean, that's fine. Oh my goodness, what happened? Oh no, okay. I guess it's just because he left. Yeah, oh crap. It's a race condition because the profile is not loaded at the time that they're trying to save data. Ah, that's like a common, I don't know. But that's like good safety because you can't mutate the profile while you're you can't mutate the profile while you're loaded into the game, which is just good practice in general. Bump 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 bump. One of these streams, we're gonna unbox some free stuff from our a little sponsorino road, so that's gonna be cool. they're sending me some free stuff, which I'm happy to unbox on stream, which is super awesome. Super, super, super cool. Yeah. Yeah. Let me tell them thank you. Patrick. Oh my god, it was actually like, damn, I involved the whole entire road team. That is insane. Wow. That's sick. Okay, cool. Well, I don't know what Phoenix is trying to do. He's trying to do something. He's testing something. Um, Let me just tell him, if you don't see prices in studio, it's just a studio bug. Okay, cool. Yeah, all of our images for Star Trek Karambit, AK-47, M9 Bayonet, Karambit 387, 661, 601. Cool. Coolio. Yeah, some custom images now going on for the blue gems. It's gonna be sick. And then we could just like modify that on the fly. That's gonna be sick. That's gonna be sick. Okay, that's gonna be an epic update. Epic update. Oh right, we need to work on the bank capping just because like yeah, we just like don't want too much going into the bank. What should be the bank cap? Or like how much per hour should be the limit? Times 24, remember. What's my hourly rate? Oh, there's another airdrop. 750 airdrop. Oh, look, we got one in zone 1. Oh, shoot. Um, I wonder if that's normal. I don't think that is. It doesn't seem normal. Let me just publish that to dev and just test if that's gonna like be an issue in dev. Publish to Roblox. Then we're gonna test on dev. Case unboxing, case unboxing. Dev. On Roblox. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and test to see if we can roll several cases at once. Yeah, prices, right? Yep, there it is. Fresh off the back end. I need at least 300 what cash? How did I lose some cash? Bro, I need to get some cash out of the bank then. Oh, that wonderful money. There it is. I think I'm getting some frame drops. Developer console. I need to turn on the micro profiler. Micro profiler, where are you? Watch, there's gonna be a huge spike right here in the top right corner. Oh, it's manageable, but still, I don't like seeing that. I swear I'm like losing frames. There's like shift F3, right? Gives me no shift F2. Physics, shift F1. Where's my frame rate? Draw counts, developer UI, graphics, heartbeat, 60 a second. I'm looking for, yeah, there it is, frame rate, shift F5. Okay, then. Okay, so I'm not dropping frames. So it's just an illusion. Pfft, okay, cool. It's an illusion. All right. Okay. So it's just something in my head is saying, "Oh, you're losing frames," when I'm not actually losing frames. That's why instruments are so important. Eyes will deceive. But that looks like it's like working. With all my blue gems. Yeah, blue gems are there. And if I come back to my bank, how much did I get? If it's over 100,000, ooh, it's 7,000. My daily rate, my dollar rate is $57 a second. If I take out, oh wow. So if I put in Dragon Lore, $30, $30 a second. If I put in this, $57 a second. Holy crap. I mean, that's interesting. Yeah, putting a cap is going to be the best thing because just adjusting the rate is going to be wild. People won't like it if we adjust the rate. Okay, so we're just thinking about the rate at which we're going to cap. Okay, so I want to cap each skin. Okay, so now I need to go back to the bank code. Let's close all this stuff. Okay, so now that's gonna be blue gem images. So we're just gonna go to the bank service. Deposit item, hourly rate, profile.bank to hourly rate. Profile.bank to hourly rate. And then what is it? I actually think that there's like a bank utils, bank payout calculator. This absolutely can't be public because the transparency is actually good. Calculate payout for the item, time elapsed, hours elapsed, payout. $15 a second is not an actual like hours elapsed. Hourly rate at deposit time times hours elapsed. Accumulated offline earnings. Value at deposit time times the hourly rate at deposit time plus times hours elapsed. Hourly rate times hours elapsed gives you a certain amount. It gives you like some ratio between hourly rate at deposit time, value at the deposit time times the hourly deposit rate. It's a percentage times hours elapsed. Times hours elapsed. So 15 a second. 15 a second. 15 times 60 seconds in a minute times 60 minutes in an hour is 54,000. Hourly rate at deposit time. Well, I can't do that. So it has to be like value at deposit time. Value at deposit time, hourly rate at deposit time. The hourly rate is like 20%. 20% of the item's value. So hourly rate is 20% of the item's value times the hours elapsed. Value of the deposited item times the hourly rate. Okay, so 15 a second. So if I do value at deposit time times the hourly deposit time, value at deposit times the hourly deposit time times the hours elapsed. Value, so let's say that the item's value is is 1,000 times the hourly deposit rate times 0.2, so 20%. So it's $200 an hour times the hours elapsed is going to give you times the hours elapsed. So I think it's like hourly rate. So basically I have to take the second rate and then I have to turn that into an hourly rate. So 15 per second, that's per minute, and then that's per hour. So it's $54,000 per hour. So, okay, so basically we have to take this amount and then we have to say math.ceil. Wait. Hey Google, what is the math dot method in Roblox Lua that allows me to set a maximum number or clamp? Oh wait, it's math dot clamp, isn't it? Math dot clamp.
You are right. It is math.clamp. This function is used to restrict a value between a specified minimum and maximum. It takes 3 arguments, which are the number you want to restrict, the minimum allowed value, and the maximum allowed value. If the number is lower than the minimum, it returns the minimum. If it is higher than the maximum, it returns the maximum. Otherwise, it just returns the original number.
What does that mean? The operator could not be done? What operator? Is it just always like that? It was always like that. Oh, it's just having like a little freaking aneurysm. Math.clamp, that's N0. Hey Google, is there a function that is similar to clamp, but I don't have to specify a minimum number?
Yes, if
Oh,
you only want to cap
math.max.
the maximum value without a minimum, you can use math.max. You can pass the value you want to check and the limit you want to set as arguments. For example, if you use math.max with a number in 10, it will return the number if it is higher than 10, or it will return 10 if the number is lower. This ensures the result never goes below that specific threshold.
Oh wait, what? Hey Google, no, that's not correct because math.max just returns the the highest number in that in a bunch of numbers, in a list of numbers.
You are right. I apologize for that confusion. Math.max returns the highest of all the numbers you provide, which is not what you are looking for. To cap a value at a maximum without a minimum, the standard approach is to use math.min combined with your maximum limit. By passing your current value and your maximum limit to math.min, it will return the smaller of the two, effectively capping your number at that maximum. For example, you could write value equals math.min, open parentheses, current value, comma, max limit, close parentheses. Would you like to see an example of how to implement this in a script?
Oh, wait a second. Actually, that might work. Because it's actually kind of counterintuitive because like in order to get a maximum, you actually have to use the minimum. Max, min, okay, cool. Okay. And then I'm gonna say max hourly rate local max hourly rate is 15 times 60 times 60. $15 a second. Okay, so that should be $54,000 an hour. So let's say the max hourly rate, the minimum. Okay, cool. Whichever one is the minimum, it'll take that one. So value at deposit time, hourly rate at deposit time. So that'll take that, and it'll take it amount and multiply by the hours elapsed, and then add the accumulated off-late values. Calculate payout for item. Calculate total payout. Okay, calculate payout for item. Okay, cool. Well, that should fix that. Calculate dollar rate per second. Oh, shoot. Hourly rate of deposit time. Oh, right. Okay, cool. Seconds per hour. Value at deposit time. And then I'm going to say, well, in bank items map. Value deposit times. Okay. There we go. Okay, cool. Thank you, AI. I had processed there for a second. I was like, okay, cool. Well, that should now be fixed. Method max hourly rate. There is no parameters. I don't need any parameters at all. Max hourly rate. Return number. Return max hourly rate. Number. Per item. Okay, so now I'm gonna just ask, double check bank payout calculator for my implementation of an hourly rate cap. Everything correct. To go. Ew, I'm not using. Was I using? Well. Just gonna use Gemini. It caught something. Okay. Why did you have to edit it in the bank service? Shouldn't all the logic for figuring out the payouts be unified in the bank payout calculator so it's consistent between the client and the server? This is like it's like a coding convention. You kind of like want to not repeat yourself all the time. Make an excellent point. Yeah, do not repeat yourself. This is much cleaner architecture. Great catch. Okay. So bank service, what has changed? I hope that's correct. I mean, offline earnings multiplier, calculate offline earnings, calculate payout per item, calculate offline earnings. Okay, I mean, I don't know. I think that's all right. Capped hourly rate, multiply hours offline. Okay, I guess. Okay, so capped per second rate. Offline earnings multiplier. Let me just double check that real quick. Offline earnings multiplier. Okay, there we go. We cap that. Now we gotta tell people that that's happening. Prices for an item increase after. If prices for an item increase. Okay, cool. Line 150. Add another line to the text saying that each bank item has a capped rate of $15 a second. Also modify this to be more readable and maintainable so that all the text isn't just shoved into one line. Okay. Oh no. Save it to Roblox. Save changes. Now we need to team tests. Oh shoot, I can't even see. Come on, load. You can do it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Ah. This is as much as I want to work on blue gems at the moment. Yeah, I need to change the pace. I don't want to work on blue gems anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and close this out. We're done with blue gems right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move on over to compliance. Compliance. Oh, but we messed up. I can't get the item cards over. Hmm. Well, I don't know. Cool. Well, I don't know. I think we'll just do this another time. But yeah, I guess that concludes today's stream. We got in blue gems, which is pretty cool. We got some blue gem prices. We got some blue gem images, and just in general, I think that we're kind of done with the blue gems right now. We're gonna add a little things to the shop later on. But that will be for another day. So until then, see you guys later. And yeah, we'll just pick it up tomorrow.